Hello everyone, today we will take a look at the Fujifilm Superia Extra film simulation recipe. If you are wondering about the fire at the beginning of the video, it is related with the Fallas Festival in Valencia, which is a good occasion for some street photography. In this video you will see some photos from the preparations of the festival. More videos to come about this in the coming weeks. Now let me tell you about this festival, look at some photos and then share the recipe. Fallas is a festival celebrated every year in Valencia, Spain. It usually takes place in March, but because of the pandemic, it got moved to September this year. Each neighborhood has an organized group of people who work all year to create a construction, which is eventually burned. That's where the name of the celebration comes from. Fallas, flames, torching stuff. Each of these beautiful constructions, named Fallas, compete for an award. Besides this, there are many days of pyrotechnical spectacle of firecracker detonation and firework display before the main event and during it. Usually this is a 19-day festival and it is something to see once in a lifetime. All photos are straight from the camera JPEGs and were taken with the Fujifilm X-T4 and the TT Artisan 50mm f1.2. This has become one of my favorite street photography lens for its length, image quality and character. If you want to see a full review of this lens, check out the link at the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. This helps me grow my channel and make more videos for you to watch. If you want to support me even more, check out my presets pack, prints and links in the description below. To customize your film recipe, go to Image Quality Settings, Edit Save Custom Settings, select one of the custom profiles and select Edit Custom Name to give it a name. When you are done, select Set. Go to your Superia Extra custom profile and select Edit. Set Film Simulation to Classic Negative, Grain Effect to Weak Small, Color Chrome Effect to Off, Color Chrome FX Blue to Strong, White Balance to Auto, White Balance Shift, Red +3 and Blue -5. Dynamic range to 400, dynamic range priority off. Tone curve highlights to 0 and shadows to -1. Color to +4, sharpness to -1, high ISO noise reduction to -4, clarity to -2. Now hit the back button and select OK to save your film recipe. When you want to select it, press the Q button, then use the back wheel to select your custom recipe.